Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning, revealing our new truck. We just got our Nissan NV 2500 wrapped, the high top. Josh at Creative Edge Design did all of the work. Got the bubbles all over in the blue section. All of our services. We are your neighborhood cleaners. Social media. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But this has been a long time coming, so we can't wait to get this out on the road to better service our clients. So hope to hear from everybody soon. And thanks to Josh again at Creative Edge Design in Kitchener.